I started cleaning out these holes for the fuel injectors, and I thought, oh, I've got to show you this, because you don't want to take it lightly when I say clean these out. This works great. A large swab with, got some throttle body cleaner here. Let's see what happens. We put this down in here and turn it. So you don't think those need cleaning out? I may need some more swabs here. What I do, once it gets gummed up like this, you can take a rag and just kind of rough this up again, kind of wipe that off. And then we'll put it right back down in there. Let's see if we got it all. Okay, pretty good. And you look down, you can actually see aluminum. Where, look at this one, where it's real dark and gummy. You know that one has not been cleaned yet. After cleaning out 2 of these, I said, hey, there's got to be a better way. I like to work smart, not hard. So why not get the drill? Look at that. That's the way to clean these babies. And now for the rest of the tip. You know, you get in there cleaning this and think, well, gee, I really need to polish that out. So this is what you do. You take some lint-free cloths like this, wad them up on the end of that swab, and put it down in there, and you're going to go to town here. Now you know how to clean out fuel injector hose. Look at that. You believe how dirty that is?